Hi, this is Chad the Van Man with Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica that we had a manual rear ramp added to. So let's have a look. This is it right here. This is it's like a metallic black. It's got like blue and green and purple flakes in it. Very pretty. This has just a little over 50,000 miles on it. Tires still have plenty of tread on it. It's like 50,200 miles on this van, I believe. The key fob here, obviously lock and unlock it, but you can control the doors with this. So you've got power doors on both sides. And then power rear hatch, and then this one right here is remote start. Manual rear ramp here. And when this conversion's done, this metal here is ceramic paint, so it's not gonna rust. And then you can see this lip here, so that's if you ever get hit in the back by another vehicle. This ramp can't get pushed in, it's going to catch on there. But ramp's super light. I believe it's only 7 pounds of resistance. You can do it with your foot. There's a little like hydraulic piston in there to assist it. And inside here we've got the heavy duty rubber floor, and then there's the tie down spots for 2 wheelchairs if you wanted to put 2 wheelchairs in here. Although the tie downs that come with it, there's only 1 set. So if you wanted to put 2 wheelchairs in here, you'd need to get another set. These are the Q-Straight tie downs. It's like a fancy ratchet strap. You push this red button here, it'll come out, and then you hit the red button. And additionally, you can turn this knob here to like fine tune it and pull it in just 1 crank at a time if you want to. And as you can see, obviously you can take them out of the floor. So if you don't want to have them in there all the time, take them out. But this the wheelchair conversion we just had done. So the van was used, had 50,000 miles on it. We just sent it out and had this conversion done to it. So. And this conversion has a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on it. So now I'm just gonna walk around the van and try to point out any blemishes I can find. So we got a little boo-boo right here. That's just something sticky that's coming right off. On the side, I don't see any dings or dents. This does have a blind spot indication system, so if someone's in your blind spot, that's going to light up. It's a scuff here on the front. This would be a lot more noticeable if the car was not black. Little tiny scratch there, that looks like it'd buff out. Fan's a little dirty, needs washed. It's dusty. Farmers across the street and cutting down their crops, so that's probably what stirred this up. Yeah, a couple little boo-boos, but inside here, leather interior, got power seats for the driver and passenger seat, power windows, power locks, memory settings for the seats, 2 memory settings. Steering wheel tilts and telescopes. Got auto headlights here. You can dim the gauges and the lights inside. Bluetooth controls here, cruise controls here. It's electric parking brake. Climate controls. Storage drawer there. Beverage holders. And these buttons here do the same stuff that the key fob did, where you can open and close the doors and the back hatch. This has the Chrysler Uconnect system. The heated seats and heated steering wheel. It's all touchscreen. You can adjust the climate in here. Turn that fan down, or you can do that all right here too. This little knob, you can turn that fan up if you want to. Same with the temperature controls. You can adjust that right here. So it's dual climate control for the driver and the passenger, or you can just slide these little sliders right on the screen. And this does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so no navigation on the van, but with that Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, you just pair your phone to it, and then the van's gonna mirror whatever's on your phone. See right there, it's 50,248 miles on it. So if you have any questions on this van, the first comment beneath the video is a link to its listing, where we've got like probably 3 dozen different photos of it. There's also a blue and white box that says Auto Check by Experian. That's their version of Carfax. You can click on that, look at the vehicle history. Also have pricing on there, VIN number, etc. If you have any questions on this van or any of these other vans out here on the lot, there's a link to my personal contact info down there in that first comment beneath the video as well. Chad the Van Man. Please reach out if you have any questions. Also, please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.